Now important features of class Mammalia. So first, they are found in a variety of habitats such as in deserts, forest, mountain, in water, or some can fly in sky, or some can fly. So they are found in a variety of the habitats. Some are found in desert, forest, mountains, ice falls, and some can fly, and some is found in the water, etc. They are found in a variety of the habitats. As name it given in Mammalia, so important feature, they have mammary glands. Mammary glands. They have mammary glands. External ear. External ear. External ears are pinna. Plural pinnae are present. Body is covered by hairs. They have 4 limbs. They have 4 limbs, and these limbs are modified for walking, grasping, running, and the flying, swimming, etc. These are the adapted for the different purposes. They have oil and sweat glands. Oil and sweat glands. They are warm-blooded. Warm-blooded. And 7, 8. Heart is 4-chambered. Heart is 4-chambered. Two arcades and 2 ventricles, and they are urotelic. They are urotelic in nature, means they excrete the urea as the nitrogenous waste. And line next feature, ureoteric and temp. They have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Cranial nerves. 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. Nerves arises from the cranium or called as cranial nerves. So there are the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves. Sexes are separate. Fertilization, internal fertilization is internal, and 13, this is the fertilization is the internal, and this show the parental care, having parental care, so class Mammalia is divided into three main groups. It is divided into three main groups. These are prototherians, metatherian, and eutherian. It is divided into three main groups. One is the prototherian, metatherian, and the eutherian. Three groups are there. So we will discuss one by one group. First, we will discuss about prototherian, metatherian, and then the eutherian. So first, prototherian. So this is group 1, prototherian. These are called as the primitive mammal. Primitive mammals. These are commonly called as the connecting link in between, called as the, they are called as the connecting link between between reptiles or between reptilia, between reptilia and mammalia. They are correctly linked between reptilia and the mammalia. What reptilian features there? They give, no, they are the egg laying. An egg is celled and polylethal eggs. Another features, they have cloaca. They have the cloaca. So these are the features of the reptiles. And mammals features, they have mammary glands. They have mammary gland. They exude the milk. They give the milk to their the animals. So in this way, it having the called as the currently link between the reptilia and the mammalia. So body is covered with hair. They do not have external ear. External ear. This is the important feature which is not found there. They have cloaca. They have cloaca. They are egg laying mammal. Egg is celled and polylethal. Egg is celled and polylethal. And this one more important features, they have mammary gland glands but having no nipples. But having no nipples, that is why young ones sucks the milk by hairs. Milk exude from the mammary gland, comes on the surface of the skin, and then they sucks the milk with the help of the hairs on the body, hairs near the mammary glands. So in this way, these important features, they do not have nipples, having no nipples, or do not have the nipples. So examples: duckbill platypus. These are confined in the Australia. These are confined to the only in the Australia. Now next one is the after the Prototherian, next is the Metatherian. Next group second, Metatherian. Now, group second, Metatherian. They are commonly called as pouched mammal. Called as the pouched mammals. Pouched these are commonly called as the pouched members. So they are called as the pouched mammal. They have so first you write first these features. They give birth to imperfectly developed fetus. They have pouch or marsupial. Pouch or marsupial. They have in the pouch or marsupial in which they keep the young ones and they suck the milk. They have the nipples. So are the pouched. These are pouched are the marsupials. Mammals, so they give birth to imperfectly developed fetus and they have pouched are the marsupial. So called as the marsupial or the marsupium. Marsupial in which they keep their young ones and in the marsupial they suck the milk and become developed. And fetus is commonly called as the, and here fetus is called pouched or the mammary fetus. Mammary fetus. So they have two uterus and vagina. They had two uterus and two vagina. And one more important feature in this category, kangaroo come and red kangaroo. One red kangaroo produces two different types of milk from different nipples, from different types of nipples. An example is kangaroo. So this is about the metatheria or the metatherium, and next one is the third one is the eutheria. Now third is the eutheria or the eutherium. Third is eutherian. These are called as the true placental mammals. These are commonly called as the true placental mammals. They give birth to fully developed young ones. And rest features are same as in other cases, and this eutheria include the human beings, cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Thank you. That's what it is.